I think the secret to holidaying with kids is to know that as much as you try to control, there's going to be so much that's just unpredictable. My son usually tries to eat sand. My husband likes to play catch. The girls like to bury themselves, but they'll go for a swim. Apart from my family, my ideal vacation companions would be a babysitter. So I could actually go and have a date night once in a while. My favorite vacation cocktail would be tequila on the rocks with a squeeze of lime and a little soda water. If you're too self-conscious about trying to look perfect or having the perfect outfit, wear something that's comfortable. Bikini or a one piece? I like both. It just depends how I'm feeling that day. Or, how the bloat is going. Try on your suits before you leave, and if you look good in that way, then you should feel good on the beach. I'm definitely more of a straw hat girl. I do love a turban or a headband, so I like to spray a leave-in conditioner. If you've gone into the ocean or if you've gone into the pool, I always kind of have that in my beach bag. My go-to summer beauty routine is I make sure that even while I'm on holiday, I try to do moisturizing face masks. I think as much as you try to reapply sunscreen, there's just nothing better than actual shade. I think it's nice to have a creamy blush, pinky cheek. I like to have a little wash of color on my lip, so I go for like a colored lip balm. If I can, I'll always do a lash. There's something really humbling about the ocean because it feels so infinite and it's so powerful and it's so vast. But then in another way, it's also very vulnerable and fragile. What we've done to it and all the pollution that we put into it, I think at a certain point, the wildlife in the ocean just needs a break. I grew up in Southern California, so I was lucky enough and fortunate enough to always have the beach sort of in my backyard. It feels like home.